The 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, XM satellite radio, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, trip computer, CD player, compass, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.